Jim Rohn's approach to motivating people to take action is both practical and inspirational. While I can't provide the exact content of his speech, I can outline a structure for a motivational talk on the topic of forcing yourself to take action based on his principles. Here's a framework that captures the essence of Rohn's style and content. The power of decision. Opening statement. The first step in taking action is making a decision. Every great achievement starts with a simple choice to act. Decide today to take control of your future. Key point. Emphasize that a firm decision to act sets the stage for success. Without a decision, there's no direction. Setting clear goals. Opening statement. Goals are the roadmap to your success. Without goals, you are like a ship without a rudder. Key point. Stress the importance of setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART goals. Goals give you a target to aim for and a reason to act. Creating a plan. Opening statement. A goal without a plan is just a wish. You need a strategy to turn your dreams into reality. Key point. Discuss the need for a detailed action plan. Break goals into smaller, manageable tasks and outline the steps needed to achieve them. Developing discipline. Opening statement. Discipline is the bridge between your goals and accomplishment. It's the daily habits that build success. Key point. Highlight that discipline is about doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like doing it. It's a consistency that drives results. Overcoming procrastination. Opening statement. Procrastination is the enemy of progress. The best time to start is now. Key point. Address common reasons for procrastination and provide strategies to overcome it. Emphasize the importance of taking immediate action to build momentum. Embracing change. Opening statement. Change is a constant. The more you embrace it, the more opportunities you'll have. Key point. Encourage adaptability and openness to change. Flexibility allows you to respond to new challenges and seize new opportunities. Building positive habits. Opening statement. Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. Key point. Talk about the power of habits in achieving long-term success. Building positive habits reinforces discipline and consistency. Managing time effectively. Opening statement. Time is a non-renewable resource. How you manage it determines how much you can achieve. Key point. Offer tips on effective time management, such as prioritizing tasks, avoiding distractions, and setting deadlines. Seeking knowledge and growth. Opening statement. To grow, you must continue learning. Knowledge fuels action and enhances your ability to succeed. Key point. Stress the importance of continuous learning and personal development. Stay informed and improve your skills to stay ahead. Surrounding yourself with positive influences. Opening statement. You become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Key point. Discuss the impact of your environment and relationships on your motivation. Surround yourself with positive, supportive individuals who inspire you to act. Taking responsibility. Opening statement. Your life is the result of your choices. Take full responsibility for your actions and outcomes. Key point. Emphasize personal accountability. Recognize that you are in control of your actions and decisions, and take ownership of your path. Overcoming fear and doubt. Ending statement. Fear, a natural part of growth. It's how you handle it that determines your success. Key point: address common fears and doubts that hold people back. Provide strategies to confront and manage fear, such as focusing on the potential rewards and taking small steps forward. Celebrating small wins. Opening statement: success is built on small victories. Celebrate each step forward. Key point: encourage recognition and celebration of progress, no matter how small. Celebrating milestones boosts motivation and reinforces positive behavior. Learning from failure. Ending statement: failure is not the end. It's a lesson. Learn from it and move forward. Key point: discuss the value of failure as a learning opportunity. Analyze setbacks, extract lessons, and use them to improve and advance. Staying committed. Opening statement: commitment is what keeps you going when motivation fades. It's the force that drives you to complete what you started. Key point: highlight the importance of staying committed to your goals and plans. Commitment ensures that you keep pushing forward even when motivation wanes. Closing statement: remember, the path to success is paved with action. Decide today to take control, set your goals, and commit to the journey. Your future is shaped by the actions you take now. Force yourself to act, and success will follow. This framework captures Jim Rohn's motivational style, focusing on actionable steps and inspiring messages to encourage taking decisive and consistent action.